For me as an artist and as a dancer, this would be the perfect place to live, to become more creative. There's so many things to inspire you, the little details that you see. I found a magazine in Sierra Leone of a ballerina that inspired me, not because she was a ballerina, but because she looked happy. I wanted to be happy. And I was in the orphanage at this time, and she gave me hope, and she gave me something to believe in, and I wanted to be exactly like her. So when I got adopted, I took my first ballet class. I hated it. And I wasn't happy with it, and I was like, why are we skipping around? I thought I'd get my point shoes and my tutu and my tiara, but that didn't happen. You actually have to work to get those things. Important things I look for in a living space: comfort, a way to just unwind, and also a space for you. Dear Michaela, welcome to Paris. We hope you enjoy your stay at this luxurious apartment and are inspired by the rich cultural heritage of this historic city. My first impression when I opened the door, I think it's really beautiful. It's an incredible apartment, very spacious, very light. I mean, there's so much depth in this apartment. There's just so much to offer. There's so many things to inspire you. It's beautiful, it's breathtaking. Now it makes you want to dance. I was cold, I was ridiculed, I was harassed, I was unworthy. I felt those things, and I knew what it felt like to not be wanted, to not have a dream, to not know what inspiration was, to not know what hope was, to not know if I was going to be alive the next day. I've had so much negativity in my life and so much loss and so much hurt that I just thought it's finally my turn to just do what I want and what makes me happy. Ballet for me is the best way to find like an escape, to play different roles that you've always dreamt of, to find a way to be, somebody else. The things I have been through, it gives me a chance to share that with people, and that's how you can connect with the audience. I love being a role model. These two little girls came in, I was on the front of the newspaper. They didn't know that they could be ballerinas because they were Black and they didn't see anybody who looked like them. Hearing stories like that, that just makes me want to continue to inspire more people. I would say to aspiring young ballerinas, if somebody tells you you can't do it, prove them wrong. Incredible view, incredible apartment, incredible atmosphere, incredible inspiration around this whole house. I could definitely get used to life here in Paris.